Hi, my name is Cookie. Ready? Action!
For today's recipe, we'll be using a big piece of fresh meat.
Fresh meat?
I wasn't talking about you, Cookie.
Oh, my kid, it's better be safe than sorry.
I was referring to this piece of pork. Hello, I'm Nicole. Welcome back to Red Panda Cooking. Today, we'll be turning this pork belly into this. To make this dish more yummy-licious, we'll be making 3 different sauces to go with it. These sauces are simple to make and I'll be showing you my favorite way of eating this dish. We're going to roast the first piece of pork belly without poking any holes on the skin. I've never tried this before, so let's see how it turns out. For the second piece, we're going to poke holes on the pork belly skin. After washing the pork, it's important to pat it dry on both sides. Make sure the skin is dry. These are the ingredients we'll be using to marinate the pork belly. Measurements for ingredients will be listed in the description box. Don't marinate the skin, just marinate the meaty side of the pork belly. Sprinkle salt all over the skin and spread it out evenly. After 20 minutes, the pork will start to sweat. Pat it dry with kitchen towels. We're going to make the pork sweat a second time. Pat the skin dry a second time and leave it alone for 90 minutes. Drying the pork skin will make it more crispy when we roast it. Preheat the oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Place the pork belly with the skin facing upward. We're gonna roast the pork belly at 130 degrees Celsius for 1 hour.
Burst?
There's a chance that it might burst. Turn up the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and roast for another 15 minutes. Flip the pork belly over. Roast it at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to prepare the 3 different sauces to go with the pork belly. The ratio of the pepper, salt and sugar mixture is up to you. And now we're going to make the second sauce. When the oil is hot enough, add the garlic. For today, just stir fry for 30 seconds because we want some of the raw garlic taste. Add the ginger and cook for just 15 seconds. Add the sugar, salt, mirin, and chicken stock. Cook for about 1 minute. Turn off the fire before adding the Chinese parsley. Give it a stir and the second sauce is done.
There's so much more garlic and spring onion. Why is it called ginger sauce?
There may be lesser ginger, but then the taste of the ginger will still be stronger than the garlic and the spring onion.
Please, pew!
I'm not using the whole pear. Cut the pear into small pieces. Submerge the pear in water. Add sugar and salt to taste. Heat the pan on medium heat until it starts to simmer, then turn the fire to small and cook for 20 minutes. Or until the pear is quite soft. Turn off the fire and add the vinegar and Mirin. leftover blend or it will turn into pear juice. Pour the pear sauce back into the pan. Cook the sauce on small fire for about 5 minutes or until the sauce becomes nice and thick. The roasted pork belly tastes great with any of the 3 sauces.
My favorite is the pear sauce.
Yeah, the pear sauce is good.
My lettuce tastes better than any of the 3 sauces.
Flip the pork belly over again. Cook at 150 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. We didn't poke any holes for this pork belly skin. I think it still turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Getting rid of the burns part. Now we're going to roast the second piece of pork belly, the one which we poked holes on the skin. The steps are all the same, but for this smaller piece of pork belly, timing is slightly shorter. Okay, so this time there are no big bumps on the skin. It smells so good, and look at how tender and juicy that is. Both skins taste just as crispy and tasty to me. Now I'm going to share with you guys my favorite way of eating this roasted pork belly. Bring the chicken stock to a rapid boil. This cooking technique will infuse the flavor of the roasted pork belly into the chicken stock. It's also a great way of reheating the pork without overcooking it. Okay, no. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.